Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make putting no egg easy method. Heat milk and whisk starch slurry into it until it thickens, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. Add sugar, salt, and vanilla, then simmer briefly and cool for best texture. I will walk you through quantities, timing, and simple swaps for dairy or sugar so you get perfect results every time. Start by measuring ingredients carefully to ensure consistent pudding texture. Combine sugar and cornstarch in a bowl first to prevent clumps when added to milk. Warm milk in a saucepan over medium heat, then whisk in the dry mix and cook until the mixture visibly thickens and coats the spoon. Finish with vanilla and any optional mix-ins, then chill to set. Whisking and temperature control are the keys to silky eggless pudding. Keep the heat moderate and stir continuously so the starch activates evenly without scorching. If adding chocolate, melt it separately, then fold it in off heat to keep texture smooth. Pour into individual dishes, press plastic wrap to the surface if you dislike skin, and chill until firm for clean serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.